right, good morning, guys. We're going to keep on going. It's week 3. It's Monday. We're going to take a look at your writing for the week. So, you have 2 articles about summer camp, and then Miss Cannon sent you with a graphic organizer. So, what we're going to do is we're going to look first at what we're being asked to do. That's important. Make sure you know what it is that you need to do before we start reading anything or writing anything. So what you're doing, the first week we did digital learning, you did a narrative. You worked with the narrative writing. For last week we did an opinion writing. This week is going to be an informational writing. So you are actually giving information. You're giving facts to someone. And you're using these 2 articles to collect your facts, and then you're putting them into an essay. So you're going to be teaching someone something or giving someone information on something. It's not your opinion. It's not a made-up story. It's actual factual information. So if you look at your graphic organizer right here, it says writing task. This is what you are going to be writing about. This is your topic, okay? It says explain some of the benefits for kids who attend camp during the summer. So, the word benefits are what are the good things, the things that are good about something that kids benefit from, or the good things about kids going to camp during the summer. That's what we're going to be looking for in these articles. These 2 articles are both about summer camp, and they give lots and lots and lots of information. So we're not thinking about, whether or not you believe someone should go to summer camp or you want to go to summer camp. We're thinking about what are the benefits, the good things about going to summer camp using these 2 articles, okay? So that is what we're working on. The graphic organizer Miss Cannon gave you, it's laid out the same way that we've done almost all of our writing. You'll need to have a hook, which we'll talk about when we kind of get to starting to draft out. You'll need to have your thesis statement. And then you're going to, these 3 body paragraphs, you'll have all of your information, and then we'll have a conclusion. So let's take a look at the first article. And we're going to, this one, your writing might be in a couple different videos, because I want to go slow with this with you and help you to actually find information that will help you when you are actually working on your writing. So, looking at, it says source 1, summer camps have a lot to offer. So, we should get lots of good information from this writing, from this article. We're going to read it together, and then we can go back and try to find some of the things that were benefits or the good things about going to summer camp. That way you can use that when you're doing your writing. So, I'm sorry, I know it's not clear. I'm going to make it a little bigger for you, and we're going to go through and read it together. So if you need to reread it or stop it, just do whatever you need to do. All right, let's take a look. Summertime is a great time for kids to hang around and do nothing. Most parents do not feel that this is the best way for their children to spend their summer. Instead, they often send their children to a summer camp. Many adults who went to camp as kids have fond memories. Most recall splashing and swimming in lakes and pools. They smile when they remember making arts and crafts from sticks and string. They feel the joy of playing outdoors in the fresh air. They recall activities like hiking and fishing. These are only a few of the usual offerings that's at summer camps. Summer camps provide more than just a variety of activities. Camps allow kids from different neighborhoods to get to know one another. At the end of summer, most kids have made many new friends. Camp activities help kids stay physically fit. There is little time to sit around surfing the internet. There is no time for television. Because kids spend so much time away from technology, their creative sides are awakened. They are forced back into the real world, where there is more to do than they have ever imagined. Children learn important life skills as well. No matter what kids are doing at camp, they always seem to be working together. Sometimes they work as a team playing games like tug of war or volleyball. Or they work together as a community to build something new or repair a broken fence. Successful adults may be able to work well with others. They also need to be creative. Adults need leadership skills. They must be able to solve problems. These are skills adults need according to a group called the Partnership for the 21st Century Skills. Each skill mentioned is part of a normal summer camp experience for kids. Sometimes older children get to be leaders at camp. They become counselors in training. Camps have leaders called counselors. And an important part of their job is to be sure every child has a wonderful experience. They direct games or coach kids as they play kickball or swim laps. Their job is exhausting. However, most camp counselors return to their job every year. Why? Because they say it is more rewarding. Summer camp is a terrific way to spend the summer for counselors and kids alike. Okay, that was a lot of information, but it gave us a lot of benefits of summer camp. What are some of the good things about summer camp? What did it tell us? I know you can't really answer me, but maybe you can stop and talk about it with whoever's around you, if they listen to the article as well. What were some things that it mentioned in here that are benefits for kids going to summer camp? Well, it talked about right here, we should number these paragraphs. 6 and 7, there's 7 paragraphs here. In paragraph 3 right here, it mentioned that camps allow kids from different neighborhoods to get to know one another. That's a benefit. It allows you to get to know other people, and at the end of the summer, most kids have made many new friends. So one benefit would be you get to meet new people and make new friends. That's something it actually tells us in the article. That's a piece of information we can use when writing our essay. Let's look here. Camp help kids stay physically fit. That's another benefit of kids going to camp. Help you, you have less time on the internet, it says, no time for television, and it helps their creative sides to awaken. That just means it helps them to be more creative. They have less time on the internet, less time for TV, and they get to be more creative. Let's see. What does it say here? The children learn important life skills. Okay? So they learn things like working together. They work as a team playing games like tug of war or volleyball. They work as a team. They can work together as a community to build something, right? Those are all benefits, okay? And it even talks about how a lot of these skills that people need as adults are things that normal summer camps provide for students. So each of these skills mentioned is part of a normal summer camp experience. So they learn to work well with others, they can be creative, they help their leadership skills, they solve problems. All of those things are benefits. So this article has laid it out pretty easily for you guys to be able to pick out. You can look at your graphic organizer. Where did I put it? Over here. So we would need to have, each of these paragraphs would need to be about a different maybe benefit. So you could write a paragraph about kids staying physically fit maybe and using some of that information. We'll have to read that next article to see what information it gives us because we need to use information from both. But this gives you lots of ideas. There's even more in here than I even highlighted for you. But this is just to jumpstart you and get you started to show you. It gives you lots of information about the different benefits of going to camp. And this was only one article. I'm going to make another video where we go through article 2, and then I'll help you, maybe start setting up your graphic organizer. But this should give you some ideas of what you could write about. Remember, your topic is that you need to explain some of the benefits of kids, for kids who attend camp during the summer. So these already are a bunch of benefits that we have already identified. So even if you use one article, there's a lot in there, but we are going to need to reference both articles. So give me a few minutes and I'll work on your video for your next article, and then we can go over working on your graphic organizer. All right, so give me a few minutes. I'll work on it for you and get it posted as soon as I can.